Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a MOT Gourde here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this amazing toy. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this thing right over here. And also you can check out fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram and let me know what you guys think. So MOT right over here. It comes with a full set of custom tool to take this guy apart, the sticker, extra O-rings. It's ready to rock and roll, but I mean, you get some extra bearings, a sticker, and this little cool pouch. And inside, you're gonna find, of course, the actual toy in this spongy padding kind of thing. And this is the gourd, of course, like inspired to the shape of that. And in this case you get like a blasted zirc configuration. You can find this in polished zirc, in brass, I believe in titanium and steel as well, but zirc is my thing. So here you have this thing with some pretty cool kind of like milling on the center. You have like a spiral thing going up right over here up to this tip, and then you have this bottom part right over here. So it's basically just gonna stay there, kind of wobbly, but it just stays. But it is a multi-fidget, so fidget, sorry. So basically what this guy is doing is clicking on the top part, which is kind of like a ceramic ball bearing, and as you can see, it just clicks. And then you have like a top part which just hovers, kind of like this. And that's great. Or it just spins like that. So double function on one part right over there. And then you have this bottom part, which is spinning, but I don't know if you can appreciate the sound. It's very subdued, very weird, kind of like wiggling, vibrating, and then it's just slowed down. It's not spinning for that much time, like a couple of seconds, and it's done. So it just, there's something like slowing this down on the inside. I still have to figure out what, but the nice part is the levitation part. I mean, you can just have this, just do like you know, this kind of jump, or just get in a nice spin, and this guy is gonna hover because of the repulsion of the magnets that are right there and right over there. To take this guy apart, you're gonna need the special tool to go into those slotted areas right there and take it apart, and you can easily maintain this fella right over here. Let's do a quick size check, because this is not a small one. Look at this. Like the overall height is like 2.5 inches. So to give you a perspective of like some big toys, this is like the bulletproof, the bullet from Black Mirror Design, and here you get the Commander Grenade version 2. So these are big boys, and that's why this is like a more like a desk fidget toy. Like for example, the pill bag. That's the pill bag. Look at this. I mean, it is not definitely a small one. Like let me show you a couple of options right over here to give you an idea. Here's the 42 Cosmo Nebula, like CP2. Sorry, that's the CP Nano. You get CP2 right here, and let me show you the CP3 right there. So this is like, look at this. There's like 50% more you know, height in this one. It's a big boy, and it's not a lightweight one. Let's see the weight, because this guy feels pretty intense in the hand, like 6.18 ounces. So it's a full size, full weight. I mean, you can hold it in the hand, but it's just gorgeous to leave it on the desk, have it spin, and just enjoying it. You know, it's gorgeous to see that on your desk. So it's both nice in the hand because it just molds, like it's just like, look at this, it's just perfectly fitting the grooves and everything, so that you can just enjoy this little, or have it spin like that. It's gorgeous. Want to click away? There you have it. And a very interesting and weird at the same time wiggling, spinning bottom part kind of right there. I mean, it is pretty cool looking. The sound is very nice, subdued. It's not gonna bother anyone. If you do even like this step, it's very, very dampened down. So I like it mainly because there is one sticker right over here to dampen the sound. Very, very good option, and that is included in the box as well. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.